Hey guys, thanks so much for watching my channel. This is Fun with Brittany. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Bentonite clay mask for your armpits. I hope that you guys like this mask. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified when I make new videos, and go down in the comments and let me know what you thought and if you got a chance to try this mask. It's made with bentonite clay so that it can help really detoxify your body. And the Sonne's is definitely the nicest bentonite clay that you can buy. A lot of people take it internally. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mask. So what you do is you mix up all the ingredients, and then you can go ahead and apply the mask under your arms for anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes a couple times a week. It's good if you're having an issue to go ahead and do it several days in a row. And when you go to remove it, just use a wet, warm towel to take it off, since it does have oil in it. So the items that I used are about a tablespoon of the Sonne's detoxificant, and this one is called the number 7. And this is the bentonite clay. It's a liquid. When you stir the ingredients, you're going to want to make sure that you use a bowl that is either glass, wood, or plastic. And definitely go ahead and use a spoon as well that has no metal on it. Metal can de-ionize the bentonite clay, and it will really pull toxins from the metal in the spoon, so just don't do that. And then you'll use like a hardened coconut oil. This is just the Publix brand. I really prefer the one that is in the glass jar, so kind of look for that one. It's only a couple dollars more. Anything in glass is definitely a better product to use, especially if you're using it topically or internally. And then the oil that I like to use is the Gaia Labs Vanilla Obsidian, and this is just a vanilla planfolia oil, and it gives the mask a nice fragrance, but it will also give you a nice fragrance, and vanilla is one of the easier oils to use on your skin that will be super non-irritating. I'm going to link the video below where I talk about all the other reasons that body odor can occur and what exactly you can do about it. So check that out as well. So it's going to be 1 tablespoon of the bentonite clay, anywhere from 5 tablespoons of the oil, and a couple drops of the vanilla. Guys, the bentonite clay mask I'm making for my armpit, it literally is like vanilla unicorn cake batter frosting.